ಹೊರಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮಾ. ಹಾಂ ಬಾಯ್ ಕಣೆ ಸಾರಿಕಾ, ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಾಯ್ ಬ್ರೋ, ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್, ಲವ್ ಯು. Good morning everybody. How's everybody doing? This is Vikas. Welcome to Wiki Explorer. ಇವತ್ತೇನಂದರೆ we are going to Mudigere. I think it's going to be Kudremukha hilltop. That's where we are going. Stays on the hilltop of Kudremukh. And for the first time I'm traveling with my 12-year-old friend, colleague who we used to work together in Accenture, and his name is Michael, and he's also a great motorcycle enthusiast, and he travels a lot, more than me, and he owns Adventure 390. So it's going to be fun. I'm going to be meeting him after more than 12 years now. It's really going to be awesome. So meeting point is Parleji Toll. The first meeting point is Hebbal, but for me Hebbal is far. So either ways, you know, we have to go via Tumkur Road. So it's better I go to Parleji Toll than going to, you know, Hebbal. Alright, let's go. It's been almost 3 months since I have not even touched my bike. This is my first ride of 2025, and riding my bike after 3 months feels so different. So we are near IKEA. In just few minutes we'll reach the Parleji Toll. I think only 2 of us will be there in the Parleji Toll. Rest of them will be joining Michael from Hebbal. That's what I believe. Let's see. ಮಗಂದು ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾರನೋ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ರೈಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Okay, let's find those guys. I don't know where they are first of all. We just left the Parleji Toll, so we're just going. So good morning. It's almost 7 o'clock, and few of them wanted to fuel up, so we are now ready to go. We are near we just crossed Nelmangla Toll. We are near Nelmangla Toll. We didn't cross it yet. Check the fog. Check the fog. Crazy. It's so foggy. I don't know if you guys are able to see on the cam, but yeah, very foggy today. ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಗುರು. ರೋಡ್ ಫುಲ್ ಫಾಗು. So foggy, I can't see anything. ಲೆಫ್ಟು, ರೈಟು, ಸೆಂಟರು, ಫ್ರಂಟು ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮುಂದೆ ಇರೋರು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಪ್ಪ, ಏನು ಫಾಗ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಲ್ಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿಯೋಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿಲ್ಲ. ಗಾಡಿಗಳು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಗಾಡಿಗಳು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರೂ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸೀನ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ಲಿ. The fog has actually cleared up now. The road is open. Fog is clearing up. Now, at least it's better compared to the last time. So we just reached our breakfast point, Vaishali. Let us go. So we just finished our breakfast, so we are leaving now. Vaishali. Clear skies today. Let us go. It's 9:12. I guess one person is missing, so we are waiting for him. So he just crossed us and actually waiting in the next toll. Now we are in Beluru. ನಮ್ಮ ಬೇಲೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2.5 ಅವರು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್. ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶೆಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ. ಏನು ಬಿಸಿಲು ಗುರು ಬೇಲೂರು. ಅಪ್ಪ, very hot. ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ಗೆ. ವಾ, ವಾವ್, what a road. Very nice road. Lot of twisties. This is where riding this bike is fun. Twisties and off-roads. Wow, look at the location. Crazy. So we have to cross Kalasa to go to Kudremukha. From here it says 1.5 hours.
ಹಲೋ ಹೇಳಿ. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿ ಅಣ್ಣ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿ ಅಣ್ಣ.
ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. That was just miss for me. This is what happens when you don't concentrate on the road. And we keep looking at the scenery and we forget about the road sometimes. What a road, man. Look at the beauty. Beautiful road, beautiful scenery and landscape. ಇದು ಯಪ್ಪ, ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಹತ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೀನಿ, ಘಾಟೇ ಮುಗಿತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕಲಸಾಗಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು 10 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇರಬೇಕನ್ನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ರೋಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್, ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್. See, check out the view. Crazy. See. Wow. Nice. ಮಜಾ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ರೋಡ್ ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇದೆ, ಬರೀ ತಿರ್ಗ್ಸೋದೇ ಆಯಿತು. ರೈಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟು ರೈಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟು ರೈಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅವಾಗ ಈ ಥರ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸೀನ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಗೋ ಗೋ. ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಬೇರೆ ತುಂಬ ಹಸಿತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊತೀನಿ, ನೋಡೋಣ. ಏನು ವ್ಯೂ ನೋಡಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಕಳಸದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ಗೆ 20 ನಿಮಿಷ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದೇ 20 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನೇಷನ್. ಲಾಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟೀಸ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟೀಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ಲಾಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟೀಸ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟೀಸ್. Happened, I had to come back because the team were having lunch, so they called me back to Kalasa. I had to go back to Kalasa, have lunch. Now again I'm heading back to the destination. When I called them, I was just 15 minutes away from the destination. So Kalasa is 30 minutes away from the destination, so I had to come back 15 minutes. Now again going back. A heavy meal. I'm already sleepy.